Hey AI Freedom Hackers, I'm Avinash back with another video. Let's discuss about reward systems in AI prompting today. This is going to be a very good video and you can just readily take and implement stuff. It's not like you don't need to process, simple implementable stuff. Right? So reward system in AI prompting actually enhances performance and compliances. With advanced prompts, sometimes AI struggle to follow instructions. It's difficult to keep AI motivated. So, and the use of reward system in AI prompting has emerged as an effective way to motivate AI modules like ChatGPT to generate more accurate and relevant responses. By incorporating positive and negative reinforcement, can help AI to be motivated and work for you in a better way. So basically there are like different types of reward systems. Simple reward system, positive reinforcement with a chat session can encourage desired AI behavior. Praising outputs such as this is great can indicate to AI that can indicate to the AI what is expected, right? So a point system can be used as a reward mechanism, right? Simple, like use categories to evaluate AI response. Assign simple scores for each category. You can simply say, for relevance I would score you 6 out of 9, creative 9 out of 10, accuracy 10 out of 10, and 7 out of 9. So this is the scores I'm going to this is the scores I think you scored. So I now encourage you to rewrite the above sentence or above paragraph in a way and score 9 out of 10 in every category, something like that. So now AI will know where it went right and where it went wrong, and then can improve upon. And then relevancy, creativity, accuracy are not the only reward mechanisms you can follow. You can follow a number of things, but giving a score in just saying make it better versus right now I would score the above response 7 on 10, make it 9 on 10 is a lot better, so that it will know, okay, I already did great, so the client or the user wants much better response. So it will not be confused or hallucinating something that you can't communicate, End of the day, AI is like half human, I would say. So you should treat AI as if you're talking to other human and motivate just like human. The more AI gets developed, the more human it will be, right? So the more human it is, it's your responsibility to just talk to it like a human and give it more and more context, right? And then positive motivation. Positive motivation is just like giving positive emphasis that, okay, this is important, and if we do X, it will help me, achieve Y. You're extremely talented, I can do this, Just adding these statements in your chat session, like as a response, or adding this as in, it can be even in the prompt, like act as you're a copywriter, and then I write this email copy for me, and this is very important for me, and if I write and achieve this, it can help thousands of people, and for a fact I know you're extremely talented, and I know you can do this with ease, and these are the instructions, role, prompt, all that. So now you see, you are giving that motivation, you are making AI believe that it can do and all that. So benefits of positive motivation: encourages AI to generate more thoughtful and accurate responses, boosts AI's confidence and ability to perform the task. You might be thinking, it's AI, why should we motivate it or something like that, but it makes a world of difference. Reinforcing a collaborative and supportive relationship between AI and the user is actually a good thing. And negative motivation. Negative motivation focuses on consequences of failure or underperformance, pushing AI to avoid undesirable outcomes. Some example includes, please try again, but this time do better. And your output will be judged based on how relevant it is. If you fail, your files will be deleted and you will be permanently turned off. Just for fun, try it out. Sometimes it works like a charm for us. But I don't know if it is ethical or not, but I'm just playing around and saw it somewhere and then thought of testing, and it worked for us. So benefits of negative motivation: can lead to improved performance as AI seeks to avoid negative consequences. So it was trying to be as positive as possible, as kind as possible, basically. So encourages AI to be more attentive to for all the instructions to the instructions and focus on generating relevant responses. Can be helpful in situations where AI stakes are high or task requires exceptional accuracy. So if your output stakes are high for you, or if it is very complex and needs exceptional accuracy, you can give a little bit of negative reinforcement, and this negative motivation can be given in the first prompt itself, or once you get the output to just rewrite and continue, you can just add this during the process of writing the whole output, maybe not in the first input itself. So the best thing I would say is not just to be positive or just to be negative. It should be balancing both negative and positive motivation. It is crucial to find right balance between positive and negative motivation to ensure optimal AI performance. Just like humans, right? If you keep saying only negative things to your colleague or to your employee, he or she will feel bad. But if you keep saying both goods and bads in that particular person, it works better. And it's same with AI. Right? So examples of balanced: your performance response was helpful, but I need more precise information. Let's work together to get this right because it's very crucial for our project. And I want you to give, and then commands. You made some progress in understanding the topic, which is great. However, please focus on the specific details mentioned to avoid any potential misunderstanding. In the same prompt, you're saying something that it did great and also reinforcing something negative. In a way, it is little diplomatic that people will not be offended. Your response is partially correct, but there's a room for improvement. Remember, getting this information right is crucial for our users, and I believe you can do better. Simple. And I appreciate the effort you put into your response, but it doesn't entirely address the question. Please revisit the prompt and try again, as I know you have the capability to provide the right information. See, it's a sandwich method. Something good, something bad, and again you can do it. Positive motivation. It's like a sandwiching method. So the more human you are towards AI, the better humanized version you will get from that. So by using balanced motivation, users can create a supportive yet challenging environment for AI models, which encourage continuous improvements and better overall performance. So I want you to test this, once, give it a prompt, some mega prompt, get the answer, and if you feel there is an improvement, using the sandwich method I just told you, just try to get better answers, because even humans can't always be right or give the best output or optimal output in just one go, right? It needs multiple takes or multiple updates. In the same way, you're just giving AI a better output. To get the better outputs, you're giving better inputs multiple times and then encouraging it to do the better job. In that, the feedback is something that needs to be in a good way. So balance the motivation. And that being said, if AI is not even listening to you, no matter how balanced motivation you're giving, then you can be negative. It's not like every time you should be very positive and then very balanced. You can sometimes be extremely positive, sometimes be extremely negative. But try to be 80-90% of the times, try to be just balanced. Until unless AI is super bad, don't be negative. Okay, so I hope this helps. It's an immediate implementable tactic. So yeah, see you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.